In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Thrustmaster T80 on Forza Horizon 4 PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Forza Horizon 4 offers excellent support for racing wheels like the Thrustmaster T80. So as long as you plug it in properly to your PC, and as long as it is detected, you will be able to use it on Forza Horizon 4. So all that you have to do is first plug it into your PC. To do this, plug it in using the USB cable. So connect the USB cable from the T80 to your PC into any of the available USB ports. Also, make sure to ensure that the pedals are securely attached to the wheelbase. Once this is done and the steering wheel has been properly detected, I recommend that you visit the official Thrustmaster website and you download the necessary drivers. So under the drivers category, you will be able to download the drivers for your Thrustmaster T80. Once you have downloaded and installed these drivers, you will ensure that they are going to work inside of any game, including Forza Horizon 4. So now open the game itself, go over to options and controls. In there, you will be able to find the option to change the input device that you are using. If your steering wheel was properly detected, it should appear on the list of input devices and you simply have to select your T80. Once it has been detected, you will be able to go over the customization process, so you can adjust the sensitivity, dead zones, and button mapping to match your preferred playstyle. Once you change all of those settings, they will be set up properly and you will be able to get inside of a race and test. So you can practice, drive around the game to get a feel for the wheel and the pedals, and if needed, make further adjustments. If your T80 supports force feedback, you will be able to enable it in the game settings, and it also allows you to calibrate the pedals for precise throttle and brake control. Customize the buttons on the wheel to quickly access frequently used functions, and you will be able to play Forza Horizon 4 with the Thrustmaster T80. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Thrustmaster T80 on Forza Horizon 4 PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.